Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss the physical properties of amine. So, number of will be questions asked from this physical properties. So, let's discuss about the physical properties of amine. Write down the main points. Lower aliphatic amines. Lower aliphatic amines are exist in gaseous form and their smell is fishy smell. Fishy smell. More than 3 carbon. If the alkyl chains is more than 3 carbon in amine, the state becomes changes and this will exist in liquid form. And more than 8 to 10 carbon chain in amine, existence of this type of amine in the solid form. So remember it, lower aliphatic amine, that means below the 3 carbon, methenamine, ethenamine, so on. This aliphatic amines exist in gaseous form and their odor or smell is fishy smell. More than 3 carbon in amine, carbon chain in amine, existence in the liquid form, and more than 8 to 10 carbon in amine means hierarchical chain containing 8 to 10 carbon chain, the existence of compound in the solid form. Aniline, only colorless liquid is aniline. Aniline is the only compound which exists in colorless liquid. At atmospheric oxidation, it becomes colored. Let's talk about after physical status, solubility. These all are the physical status of amine. Solubility in water. Solubility in water. Lower amines are soluble in water. Due to hydrogen bond. As we know, amine in which lone pair present on the nitrogen and there is a 3 hydrogen, we write this form, suppose here we write 3 hydrogen and here we put the place of lone pair. So water in which hydrogen present and the lone pair of nitrogen and hydrogen, there will be formation of H bond takes place. In fact, nitrogen give their lone pair ion to the H plus of water molecules. In this way, we can say that lower amines are soluble in water due to hydrogen bond. But higher amines are not soluble in water. Next point regarding solubility. higher amines are not so soluble in water due to hydrophobic carbon chain. As the alkyl group chain increases, means hydrocarbons part increases, we know that hydrocarbons are hydrophobic in nature, so their solubility decreases. In this way, we can say that lower amines are soluble in water and higher amines are not soluble in water due to hydrophobic carbon chain. Next we will talk about boiling point of amine. Boiling point. Boiling point, we talk about if 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. So we can say that how many hydrogen present. Let's see, suppose CH3, CH2, NH2. This is 1 degree amine and here is the 2 hydrogen, so it forms 2H bond itself. And in 2 degree amine, there is only one hydrogen, so only one H bond possible. In 3 degree amine, no H bond possible between amine. So we can talk if same mass of, in this way we can say that boiling point of 1 degree amine is greater than the boiling point of 2 degree amine and 2 degree amine is greater than the 3 degree amine. We can draw the structure of this also, and CH3 and CH3. There is no H bond, no hydrogen, so it will not form H bond. There is only one hydrogen, so it forms H bond itself, and there is a 2 hydrogen, so it forms 2 H bond. In this way, greater the H bond, more the boiling point of amines. In this way, 1 degree amine has higher boiling point than 2 degree, then 3 degree amines. If same mass of all compound given arranged all in the increasing or decreasing order of boiling point. Suppose alcohol, amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine and alkane. So we can say that in alcohol hydrogen bond present, so it has higher boiling point. 1 degree amine, or there is a 2H, so it will form 2H bond, so it has boiling point less than alcohol but more than 2 degree amine. And in alkane there is no H bond possibility, so lower boiling point of alkane. In this way we can arrange the given compound. If all the given compound have same mass, so we can arrange by knowing the fact which one will form H bond and what is the reason for higher the boiling point of which molecules. Now we discuss the next. Now we will discuss the chemical property after the physical property of amines. Chemical property means chemical properties of amine. At first we see here amine. If we have 1 degree amine means R NH2, 2 degree amine R 3 degree amine and the alkyl. What is the reason for their reactivity? At first we talk about this. So we can see here in amine lone pair present on the nitrogen, either 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree amine. So we can talk about nitrogen. If nitrogen attached with hydrogen in amine, we know that nitrogen is more electronegative, so it requires negative and it requires positive charge. So in this way we can say that there is the acidic hydrogen and lone pair present on the nitrogen. The two conditions makes the amine more reactive. We can say that reactivity of amine due to acidic hydrogen and lone pair at nitrogen atom. Lone pair on nitrogen atom. So due to presence of lone pair on nitrogen atom, due to presence of lone pair on nitrogen atom, it behaves as a nucleophile as well as base, because it has tendency to lose electron. It is also known as a Lewis base because it has an electron pair on it and it can lose the electron pair and behave like a Lewis base. So at first we should know about the reactivity of the amine. What makes the amine more reactive? At first it has acidic hydrogen and second thing it has lone pair electron. So acidic hydrogen and lone pair at nitrogen makes it more reactive so that it can behave as a nucleophile as well as base. So at first we see the basic character of amine. Basic character of amine. Basic character of amines. As we discussed, due to lone pair and behave as a lone pair and as a base, it react with acid. Due to presence of lone pair, it behave as a base and react with acid. Acid means mineral acid. React with acid to form salt. Let's see. Suppose we take 1 degree amine and lone pair present on the nitrogen. If it treated with hydrogen halide, it is the mineral acid. We know that this is more electronegative. In that condition, this require negative charge and this require positive charge. So lone pair electron nitrogen quickly donate the electron to the H plus and form the ammonium salts. R plus charge appears on the nitrogen because it loses electron, and halogen with negative charge also present in the compound. So it is the ammoniated salt or ammonium salts. So in this way we can say that due to presence of lone pair, it behaves as a base. Tendency to lose electron, we know that character, basic character. Similarly, if we talk about the aromatic compound, means aniline, presence of lone pair electron when it treated with hydrogen halide, same things happen and it will form anilinium salts. It will form anilinium salts and H plus charge and X minus. It is known as anilinium salts. So in this way the character shows here basic character. Due to presence of lone pair electron, it behaves as a base and treated with acid to form salt. When these salts, suppose alkyl or aryl, if these salts, ammonium salts treated with sodium hydroxide, the formation of 1-degree amine takes place. It is positive and it is negative. So removal of NaX, we know that sodium has great affinity towards the halogen group, and this OH ion and this H plus from this, so removal of H2. So formation of 1-degree amine takes place when the ammonium salts treated with sodium hydroxide. In this way we can explain the basic character of amine as a base, because we have discussed earlier due to presence of lone pair it behaves as a base, and here the example where it react with acid and behave as a base, because base and acid react to each other to form salts. So when these salts treated with sodium hydroxide, 1-degree amine we can get. So lone pair present on the nitrogen atom in amine, it makes it as a basic nature. And at first we talk about the basic nature or comparison between the ammonia and the amine. Before we discuss the comparison between ammonia and basic nature of ammonia versus amine, let first we talk about or discuss about the order of basicity of amine. Order of basicity of amine. So when the amine treated with water, we know that amines are soluble in water. When this dissolve in water, it takes lose lone pair to the H plus of water and form R, NSA, and positive charge appears on the nitrogen and OH ion release. Those species which dissolve in water gives OH ion show the basic character of species. So here it is an electron donor, so we can call it or write it. It is the Lewis base. Lewis base which are electron donor species, and water is the amphoteric in nature. As we know, here here the water behave as a acid because it lose hydrogen ions and nitrogen. Lone pair present on the nitrogen, make their lone pair to the H plus from the water and get converted into cation. So stability of cation shows that the basic character of amine. Greater the stability of cation, more the basic nature of species. If the cation is not stable, it get reverse into the original species. So totally depend the basic character on the stability of cation. As it is a reversible reaction, so we can write the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Equilibrium constant for the reaction we know that product by reactant. So product is R NH3 positive charge and OH ion by RNH2. The concentration of water does not changes, so it takes as a constant. So there we write only RNH, and we know that pKb equal to minus log Kb. This is the relation between pKb and Kb. And greater the OH ion releases, Kb value also increases, and in that condition pKb value decreases and basic character increases. Basic nature of the amine increases. OH ion increases, so basic nature increases. OH ion increases, Kb increases, so basic nature increases, and pKb decreases. The lower the pKb value, greater the basic nature of amine. Always we taken the value of pKb because it gives the reasonable value. So always in examination the value given to in the form of pKb. So learn the relation between pKb and Kb. pKb is the minus log Kb. So greater the value of Kb, lower the value of pKb. Higher the value of Kb, greater the basic nature of the species, and lower the value of pKb, greater the character of or greater the nature of species, basic nature of species. If the pKb is greater, that means the lower the basic nature of species. This is the relation between Kb and pKb. So now we discuss the ammonia and the alkyl amine, which one have more basic nature. Ammonia versus alkyl amine. Now next topic, ammonia versus alkyl amine. What will be the parameter on which we can distinguish which one will be more basic in nature? Suppose pKb value is given to 4.75 and here alkyl amine may be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. The pKb value is given to 3.75 to 4.22. So in this way we can explain lower the value of pKb, greater the basic nature of the species. So in that condition we can easily say that ammonia is less basic than amine on the basis of pKb value. But by experimentally we can explain the condition which or what makes the alkyl amine more basic than ammonia. So see here, in ammonia, lone pair electron present on this. In an amine, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 alkyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. There is no any alkyl group, only 3 hydrogens, smaller hydrogens are attached. We know that alkyl group is plus I nature. Means plus I nature increases the electron density, electron pushing group. So it increases the electron density on the nitrogen. In that condition, nitrogen can easily lose the electron. So this makes the alkyl amine more basic than ammonia. So this is the reason why alkyl amine is more basic than ammonia, because in alkyl amine there is the presence of alkyl group and alkyl group, electron pushing group, electron donating group. So it increases the electron density on the nitrogen. So greater the electron density of the nitrogen, so it was easy to nitrogen to easily donate electron. In this way we can compare the basicity between ammonia and the amines. So we can say say that ammonia is less basic than amine. Less basic than amine. What is the reason behind it? So you can easily explain. In ammonia there is no any alkyl group attached to it, only lone pair electron present on the nitrogen. Whereas in amine, either 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree, there is the lone pair as well as R group, alkyl group attached to it, which increases the electron density on the nitrogen. So greater the electron density, nitrogen can easily lose their electron and show the basic character greater than ammonia. In this way we can easily compare the basicity of ammonia versus alkyl amine.